Lately, AI technology has been evolving fast, bringing us one surprise after another. And we've seen tons of viral videos popping up because of it, like the Bigfoot Yeti vlogs.
I'm meditating.
Shh. Bible character vlogs.
Here, even to strangers with phones.
Or ASMR crystal fruit cutting. Now, some of you have asked me, how do I make those animal diving competition videos? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. A full step-by-step tutorial on how to create animal diving videos. I'll teach you two methods. One is free, and the other is paid. You tell me in the comments which tool works best for this kind of video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you know the drill. Click that subscribe button and turn on the icon so you'll never miss my weekly uploads. Alright, let's get into it. First method, the free one. We'll be using the newest model released by Hailuo AI, called Hailuo 02. One creator shared that just 5 hours after posting, their video reached 1.5 million views on TikTok and Instagram. And if you check now, that same video has blown up to a mind-blowing 72 million views. Crazy, right?
Oh, almost forgot, if you need a fully monetized YouTube channel, check out this website, Zenthora. Also upload for you. From writing to editing to posting, Zenthora will run your account for you. Good, right? Be boss. Find the link in the description.
Alright, the workflow is very simple. So first, head over to the Hailuo AI official website. When you sign up as a new user, you'll get 500 free credits in first 3 days, which is really beginner-friendly. But just a heads up, you won't get any more free credits after that, unless you register with different accounts to continue using it. Click on the Agent Template tab, Cat Diving. Then click Try It Now. You will see you just need to upload an image of any animal. Just make sure the whole body is clearly shown in the picture. Once uploaded, the AI agent does everything for you. Now let's test it out. But first, we need a good animal photo. Let's head over to Dreamina AI to get one. Input this prompt. An 8K, super realistic full-body photo of a fat orange cat. Set it to image 3.0, standard 1K, and 16.9 ratio, then hit Generate. A few minutes later, when the images are ready, pick your favorite and hit Upscale. After that, click Edit on Canvas. This removes any watermark. Then export the image and download it to your computer. Now, back to Hailuo AI. Upload that cat image we just created. Then hit Generate. You'll see the AI agent automatically working on your video. You don't need to do anything. Just wait. The video and sound effects will be generated in about 4 to 5 minutes. Let's fast forward a bit. Alright, the agent is done, and the video is ready. Let's download it and play. What do you think? Pretty funny, right? You can try other animals too. I used Dreamina to create a few more. Let's play them as well. Of course, these are all AI generated, so not every result will be perfect. If you're not satisfied with a video, just regenerate it. For example, this one here turned out badly. But when I tried again, the new version looked much better. Also, when you click on the Agent tab, you'll notice it's not just diving videos. There are also templates for rings routine, climbing, and more. Feel free to explore. It's fun. Each agent consumes a different amount of credits. I also tried out the rings routine and climbing. Let's check out the results. Second method, Google VEO 3. Yep, you heard that right. You can also use Google VEO 3 to create similar videos. Go to Gemini, click Video, and use this prompt template. Anywhere it says X, just swap in your animal. For example, I changed it to orange cat. So here's the full version of the prompt. Televised footage of an orange cat performing Olympic diving from a 10-meter high diving board. He jumps high, executes multiple flips and spins with a cheering crowd in the background. The stadium is vibrant and colorful, realistic style, dynamic camera angles, and a tracking shot of the cat. Fast-paced with English commentary. Wait a few minutes. Done. Let's play it.
What an incredible display of athleticism from this feline phenomenon. He's got the height, the rotation, perfect.
Actually, I made a few more. Let's check those out too.
What an incredible dive from Mittens. A perfect 10. Look at that form, a perfect 10! That was incredible.
So, between Hailuo AI and VEO 3, which one is better for this niche? Tell me in the comments. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. That really helps motivate me to create more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, or want me to explore a different niche, drop a comment below. I read and reply to all of them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Good luck!